Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dandelion and I'm so glad that you could join me today. So I'm going to be redoing actually my wig securing video, so how to lay down your wigs, because the other one, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I took it off of my channel. That one I did with my red wig, my burgundy wig to be exact. But yeah, this hair is from Mikaela hair collection. It's the same one that I wear. It was black and then I tried to dye blonde and I failed, but now it's like this chocolate brown and I'm not mad at it. And it used to be 20 inches, but I cut it. I think it was this long, yeah, this long, and then I cut it to about here. Yeah, about here. So if you guys want to see how to secure your wigs, then keep on watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So basically the first thing you want to do is to clean the perimeter. So where you're going to put your glue, so I'm going to take some alcohol and a cotton pad. You can use like your cleanser, like your micellar water or something, but I personally prefer to use the alcohol because it gets rid of the dirt completely, so that you have like a maximum hold when it comes to the gel, because it is not a glue. You must remember that it is not a glue. I wear my wig just so that I know where to place the glue. Right. Okay. So this is just to sort of help you with placement of your gel. I actually didn't clean off the glue, so it's better to always start with your wig clean. So just clean the lace so that you can take off the residue. Then now I just like to hold the hair back like so. And then here I just like to flip it over like that. Then you're gonna use the GOT2B, the ultra glue, the black one, and you can take some on the back of your hand, but it's fine because I don't want to. And then you take some and you use either the back of your comb or anything, and you just place the gel there. Now we are going to do 2 layers and then spray with the free spray, the GOT2B free spray. If you don't have the free spray, then just do 3 layers of the gel. And when you're doing the 2 layers and the free spray, it actually helps your lace lay flat for about 3 days, depending on how well you take care of it. Then it should last you 3 days, the install. So now that is on, I'm going to use my hair dryer. And what I've done with my hair dryer is I've taken out the nozzle, I don't know what you call it. I've detached that so that I can get an even air around my perimeter, and I'm going to use it on heat instead of cool because my hair dryer doesn't give me the cool option. But what I've noticed is when I'm using the heat option, it actually makes it lie down flat, like proper flat. It melts the glue. You can air dry it, but I prefer using the hair dryer to layer number 2. So now I'm going to hair dry it again until it's dry. decided to use the Blasting Free Spray. It's not completely dry. It's slightly wet. Then I'm just gonna take the free spray and put it on top of the gel. Oh dear. Just make sure you clean up where this is falling. Just clean it up. You can do this in sections, but I prefer not to. And you're just gonna let it get a bit tacky. Oh, what I've noticed about laying my wigs is that I have to take my time when I'm laying down my wig so that it is perfect and the install will last a bit longer. So I first start off here in the front and then I just push it down. Push it down on the sides as well. Make sure it's tacky. You need it to be tacky and not completely dry, otherwise it will not glue down. So you need it to be tacky. And at this point I take my hair dryer so that I can push it down while using heat. So with this, you just want to take your time sort of and just push your lace down while moving your hair out of the way, because you don't want the hair to get stuck with the glue. So you're just pushing that hair away and you're pressing down while you're putting heat. You can use your hands to push this down. Just make sure that your fingers are actually clean so that you don't get a white residue from where the oil is mixing in with your glue. So we're done hair drying, and now we clean off the residue again with the alcohol before we put on the our scarf. Basically what I was trying to say is that you want to wipe away where the glue is so that it's easier when you're taking off your scarf, and also it won't be difficult to remove it after you've placed your scarf, and it won't disturb your lace. Then just lay down. So what I've noticed is the longer I leave my scarf on, the better the lace lays flat on my head. So I'll basically start doing my makeup, and then when I'm about to do my base, then I take off the scarf, or I do my hair first completely and then I do my makeup after I finish doing my hair, and then it just lays better. It lays so flat, it like sort of melts into your skin. But I've noticed with the lace that I have, I think it's a Korean lace and not Swiss lace, so that is why it doesn't completely melt into the skin. And also because I haven't tinted my lace, I just added a bit of foundation so that it can match my skin better. But it will not be a wet lace type of look. It will melt in better, it will look like your scalp from afar, but as soon as you're this close to me, you can see the lace. And I'm totally fine with that, because it's not like I'm doing updos or whatever. I'm just trying to secure my wig so that if the wind is blowing, it's not like yabo. And it looks better in terms of you can see my face makeup better. So that is why I lay my wigs so that I'm unclockable. Okay, honey. So yeah, I'll just do my makeup and then I'll be right back. So yes, you guys, that is how you lay your wigs and make it look a little bit more natural and secure your wig. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below on what else you guys would like to see. I know you guys want to see vlogs, but I'll put that on hold for a minute, but I'll do vlogs very soon. And subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Like, come back. Subscribing is for free. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.